Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is February 16th. Looking at the overall economical calendar, you guys can see that we got jobless numbers happening at 8:30. It already came out. Tomorrow we have import price index moving on to the charts. Make sure you guys check this out. It's on Market Watch every day. Make sure you guys check out what news is coming out that may or may not affect the stock you are trading. Top three stocks we're going to be watching today. Sorry, had you guys on the wrong screen. This is the economical calendar. Going to the top three stocks, you guys already know. You guys were on that screen. It is NVIDIA. NVIDIA 180-day is crossing down right now in a bearish stance. We have a gap down towards 220, down towards 217. Make sure you guys watch out for that, especially as the MACD starts to open. RSI has possibility for downside, but you could fill up this gap. That orange solid line represents my 1-year EMA line, right? Which we're actually a lot which was out of place, right? So that 1-year EMA line is sitting around like 220. Once we break 220, we could start basically sinking down towards 214, maybe even going towards 206, which was a previous resistance that became support. Make sure you guys watch out for that. 1 year is overbought. MACD may cross over, hasn't crossed over yet. So make sure you guys watch out for that. So updating that short position, right? So you guys probably want to wait for the break of 219 before we could start going down towards 213, possibly lower. MACD's opening up on the 180-day to the upside. Want to watch for the break of the 180-day EMA at 224. Then we can start going up towards those 230 zones. Watch out for that. Dropping down towards the 20-day. 20 days already crossed down. So we got the 180-day and the 20-day cross in the same direction, looking very bearish. Definitely want to be cautious as the 20 days starts to get oversold. Conveniently around that 1-year EMA line, which sometimes acts as support. So we may start to run out of steam over here, and basically it may bounce. So make sure you guys watch out for that one. Next stock you guys we're going to talk about is going to be Tesla, right? Tesla 180-day, actually 20-day, cross down right here. RSI has room for the downside, room for the upside. Upside, watch for the break of 214 to 217. Watch for the break below 209 down towards 206, right? Jumping over towards the 180-day. 180-day is crossing down, has not crossed over yet. Make sure you guys wait for a full crossover before you guys get into the short position. Could be a high risk short, but definitely want to watch out to see what's going to overall happen over here, right? Let's find out where that 1-year EMA is. Jumping over towards the 1 year. All right, 1-year EMA is sitting around 200, which has been a major pivot point for the stock multiple times. If you guys watch my old videos, you guys will see it. 1 year's overbought, hasn't crossed over yet. Anything below 200 down towards 189 is going to be fair game for a nice short position, and it could possibly go lower, especially if we hold below that 1 year. So watch out for that. And again, we want to watch for the break above that 180-day for a possible long position, right? 211, and we can start pushing up towards 217, which was the high of yesterday. All right, so watch out for that. But the 180-day does look like it wants to cross over, hasn't crossed over yet. A lot of stocks are looking a little bit of bearish this morning, especially after those job numbers today, right? So watch out for that. And definitely 214 to 217. And then we want to get that 209 down towards 206, possibly even lower, right? So next stock we're going to talk about, and the last stock we're going to talk about, is SPY. SPY is basically already down this morning. This is a 20-day, 1 hour. RSI is extremely oversold, meaning we may actually start to bounce this morning. So watch out for that. RSI is in the blue, but it's crossed down. We're breaking that 180-day or that 1-year EMA, that solid orange line, which has acted as support. So we may actually bounce off of it over here as well. Be careful with those short positions, could be a high risk short position. Next, looking at the 180-day, 180-day MACD is already crossing down. Could get a gap fill from 408, and then we could go to 405. Watch out for that. Let's just double check to see where this 1-year EMA is going to be right here. All right. That 1-year EMA is a lot higher. It's at 411. So let's just double check back, see what's going on. 411. So we're actually well below that 1-year EMA. So watch for the break of 408. That still remains to 405. And watch for a break above 412. And then we can start going to 415. So Let's see if we hold these areas. If we hold below this 1-year EMA, we could actually start going a lot lower. The 1-year does look like it's holding the trigger line right now to cross down. So let's see what happens this morning. We got 4 minutes to the bell. Hopefully you guys all have a great trading day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.